How to use Microsoft Bookings. First, open Microsoft Bookings. Go to Microsoft 365, Apps, and then click Bookings, or open Bookings directly at book.ms. Bookings is also available through Outlook and Teams. Step 2. Create a booking page. From the Bookings homepage under Shared Bookings, select Create Booking Page and choose Create from Scratch. Enter your business name and basic information. Step 3. Add your staff and services. Add the people who will handle appointments under Staff, add new staff. Then go to Services, add a service, and enter things like the service name, description, duration, availability, and assign staff. Step 4. Set your availability and booking rules. Configure your business hours, staff working hours, service availability, scheduling policy, and notifications. You can also control things like minimum or maximum lead time and whether customers can choose a specific staff member. Step 5. Publish and share your booking page. Go to booking page, customize it if you want, then publish it. You can create the resulting booking page link with customers so they can choose a service and available appointment time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.